जो आपको नोट्स दिया जाएगा कल, उस नोट्स में ये नहीं रहेगा, देयरफॉर आई एम मेकिंग यू टू राइट डाउन. Around 4.6 billion years ago or 4600 million years ago, our earth came into existence. Our earth, yes, came into existence. Clear? And it was full of molten rock और मैग्मा. molten rock को क्या बोलते हैं? मैग्मा विद इन द अर्थ सरफेस. तो विद इन और एबव सब जगह वही था. इट वॉज फुल ऑफ molten rock or magma. Understood? And volcanic eruption was taking place all around, and volcanic eruption was taking place all around, and through volcanic eruption gases like water vapor, different sulfur oxides, different nitrogen oxides, different carbon oxides, and other gases came into existence. Water vapor through condensation created cloud, and this way regularly for 700 million years. Volcanic eruption used to take place and rainfall continued. And in those 700 million years, upper layer of Earth's surface gets solidified. During solidification, that some of the upper layer during solidification some of upper layer get depressed, that is around 71%, and some are relatively uplifted, that constitutes 29% of the whole earth's surface. As we know that basaltic magma is denser than granitic magma, denser than granitic magma. Therefore, in any region if both the magma exist, then after solidification basaltic rock which is denser in nature must be depressed and granitic rock must be relatively uplifted. This way our depressed oceanic region and below it oceanic plate made up of basaltic rock and uplifted plate, uplifted continental plate must be made up of granitic rock. Clear? Must be made up of granitic rock. Around 1000 million years ago, some unicellular organism and multicellular organism means eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Eukaryotic. मीन्स यस क्या बोलेंगे यूकैरियोटिक कॉरिएट eukaryotic and prokaryotic organism came into existence. clear? Through photosynthesis or some kind of respiratory processes, and chemosynthesis processes, they absorbed carbon dioxide and released oxygen in the atmosphere. Similarly, other gases also through some chemical processes came into existence and created atmosphere surrounding Earth's surface, atmosphere surrounding Earth surface, which consist of around 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.9% argon, अब कितना बचा है? 0.03% carbon dioxide and some minute gases in the form of helium, neon, xenon, and some other came into existence. Gravitational force of Earth, gravitational force of Earth is more than escape, ESCAP, gravitational force of Earth is more than the escape velocity of gases therefore still we have what? Therefore still we have what? Atmosphere with such gases around. Clear? Such gases around. Atmosphere with such gases around. Clear? This process is known as tectovolcanic process. This process is known as TECTO, volcanic process to form, yes, atmosphere around Earth. आपको दो तीन चीज़ें देखनी है, उसके बाद आप जो पिक्चर बनाया जाएगा बड़े शांति से बनाते चलना, ऑटोमेटिकली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग. और अच्छे से पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना. दिस पिक्चर विल हेल्प यू टू एन अ ग्रेट एक्सटेंट. पहला चीज़ तो आप ये जानिए कि दिस इज एन अर्थ क्रस्ट विच हैज़ बीन फॉर्म्ड. यस, और इसके नीचे क्या है, अपर लेयर सॉलिडिफाइड, नीचे क्या है, सेमी मॉल्टन काइंड ऑफ। यहां पर भी सेमी मॉल्टन है बट दे आर इन द सॉलिड फॉर्म, और सेमी मॉल्टन व्हाई, बिकॉज ऑफ हैवी प्रेशर, बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट। और यहां पर क्या है, विद इन द अर्थ सरफेस देयर इज एन रेडियोएक्टिव मिनरल्स एंड दिस रेडियोएक्टिव मिनरल्स सप्लाइड हीट। और यहां पर क्या होगा, डीपर डेप्थ में विच वन विल बी देयर, बेसाल्टिक और ग्रेनाइटिक मैग्मा। बेसाल्टिक मैग्मा व्हाट हैपेंड, it became, it should melt around what is an iron magnesium, it should melt around what is an 800 900 degrees Celsius, and when anything melt